Ever wonder what the real difference is between neuroscience and psychology? Today, we're going to explore two fascinating fields, neuroscience and psychology, and break down the 5 major differences between them. Whether you're a student deciding on a career path or simply curious about the brain and mind, this video is for you. Let's get started. Difference 1. Focus area. Neuroscience focuses on the biological structure of the brain and nervous system. It examines neurons, brain chemistry, and how electrical signals impact everything from our thoughts to physical movements. On the other hand, psychology focuses on behavior and mental processes. It's more concerned with understanding why we think, feel, and behave the way we do, often from a more experiential and subjective viewpoint. Difference 2. Research methods. The second key difference lies in research methods. Neuroscience employs advanced technologies such as MRI scans, brain mapping, and molecular biology techniques to study the brain's physical structure and function. In contrast, psychologists often use surveys, interviews, behavioral experiments, and case studies. They analyze data to understand emotional, cognitive, and social processes without directly examining the brain's structure. Difference 3. Educational path. Now, let's take a look at the educational paths for each field. Neuroscience usually requires a strong background in sciences like biology and chemistry. Most neuroscientists hold a PhD and work in research or academia. For psychology, after completing an undergraduate degree, many professionals pursue a PhD or PsyD in specialized areas such as clinical, cognitive, or developmental psychology, often aiming for therapeutic or counseling roles. Difference 4. Treatment versus understanding. One key difference is how each field contributes to treatment and understanding. Neuroscientists study and treat the biological basis of brain disorders such as Alzheimer's, epilepsy, or Parkinson's disease, focusing on addressing these issues at the cellular or molecular level. Meanwhile, psychologists focus on mental health treatment, using therapeutic approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help individuals manage anxiety, depression, or trauma. Their goal is to improve well-being through behavioral and emotional support. Difference 5. Scope of study. Lastly, let's look at the scope of each field. Neuroscience extends beyond human studies, covering everything from the nervous systems of animals to how the brain interacts with artificial intelligence and technology. Psychology, however, focuses more on understanding human experiences, such as development, relationships, and social interactions. While neuroscience can explore various species, psychology is predominantly concerned with the complexities of the human mind. So, there you have it, the 5 major differences between neuroscience and psychology. Both fields offer incredible insights into the workings of the brain and mind, though from very different perspectives. Whether you're drawn to the biological intricacies of neuroscience or the human-centered approach of psychology, both fields contribute significantly to our understanding of ourselves. What fascinates you more? The biological workings of the brain or the complexities of human behavior?